See how it's just kind of going back to the dust? Like some of the old GMs from the 50s, and then their foam would turn to dust. The foam that guy put on started to turn to dust. You know, that was 21 years ago, so the springs are probably in a lot better shape. But they didn't do any repad back then. All they did was take a half-inch piece of foam and put over the whole thing. That's all they did was add that. Now what I'm doing here is this. Well, you go in and out of the spring, fasten one end, and then you actually push the spring in and pull it, you know, so it's nice and taut going across and hogging the other end. And you can just leave that. That starts to tie it all together. But now I'm actually hog ringing each spring, both sides, all the way down. So then it basically makes it as though it's one big spring, instead of a bunch of separate, especially as they get weaker. So this is like your base, then there'll be a layer. And then on the ends we took out their springs and we're gonna put our dense foam and really pad it up. And that really, when you sit in it here, this won't feel like it's sagging, it'll actually be up. But the foam is so dense that it doesn't shrink, it doesn't collapse down. But it's also strong because as you slide out, you'll always go off this edge. And there's nothing out here supporting that edge.